So Gerald, if you're going to go do a write-up and it's like a gut rehab, what kind of time frame, do you need for that client meeting? And also, the client often asks me, can the consultant do drawings? Because if you're doing a gut rehab, you're typically going to need drawings. You need a proposed floor plan and current floor plan. And actually, that's needed for any type of change. I had one person just taking a closet and making that a full bathroom. We didn't know about it. There was no value added because they didn't give me floor plans. They just thought they put it in the write-up and it's okay. Any change requires proposed floor plan and current floor plan. So do you do drawings, Gerald, and how long does it take to do a write-up?
No, we do not provide the drawings. We suggest that they hire an architect to do the actual drawings of the proposed and actual footprint of the dwelling. Typical inspections range anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, depending on the size of the property and if it's occupied or not.
Right, and then also on the drawings, when you pay for the proposed and current drawings, those typically run, that we've been seeing, they start with a deposit of $500 to $1,500, but then when you go into full-blown plans, like architect fees can range, I've seen $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the scope of the project.
Depends on the scope of the project, the square footage of it, and if it has mechanical, electrical, plumbing, porches, things of that nature, which adds more details to the plans.
And if you're doing all of that, you're not going to pay the architect $20,000 on day one. That's not what we want. We want to slow play it in case your plans and bid come in too high and you want to back out. We're trying to mediate how much money you're spending. So if we can get the plans done for $500, they're very simple drawings, just floor plan to scale, current proposed. You've paid the consultant as well. And then we can find out if with the plans and the consultant write-up, are we going to be able to stick to the budget that you thought, and will the house support the appraised value? So those are just some informational things that you'll need to know going into a project like this about plans that you need and about how long that first meeting takes with the consultant.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.